Now we continue our journey with equations first degree, this time an equation with products. How we do here when we have brackets, how we do? We first of all distribute our factors. So here we have 2 times x minus 2 times 3. This one plus 1 equals 3 times x plus 3 times 2 and minus 1. What is the rule that we used here? There is an algebra rule saying that whenever you have E times B plus C, you can distribute your A. It's like this: A times B plus A times C. And the same for minus. A times B minus C equals A times B minus A times C. It's the distributivity law in algebra. We continue. We used this here. We continue. 2 times x is 2x minus 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 equals 3 times x, 3x plus 3 times 2, 6 and minus 1. Here we do those operations and later we will transform our variables to left hand and no numbers to right hand. Here we have 2x minus 6 plus 1. It's minus 5 equals, and 3x plus 6 minus 1 is plus 5. Now we pass our 3x to the other side nearer to the unknown number. We have 2x and 3x. We pass to the other side. Since here there is plus 3x, it goes to the other side. It becomes minus 3x equals, here we have 5 at his place, but this minus 5 will travel to the other side and it will become plus 5. And now 2x minus 3x is simply minus x equals, and 5 plus 5 is 10. Finally, we have minus x equals 10, and this implies x equals, this minus goes to the other side. It's like dividing by minus 1 or multiplying by minus 1. It's the same. The minus goes other side. It's minus 10. Now we have this equation when there is fractions. And whenever you have fractions, you must have the same denominator. What we will use here is the algebraic property that says that whenever you have E over B minus C over D, minus or plus it's the same, you can do like this: E times D diagonally like a butterfly minus B times C over B times D. Here we apply it here like this: 2 times 2x minus 1 minus, here like this, here 3 times 3x minus 2 divide by 3 times 2 equals 2x plus 1 over 6. Now we distribute, like the previous example, 2 times 2x here, minus 2 times 1, minus 3 times 3x, and finally minus 3 times minus 2 over 3 times 2 is 6 equals 2x plus 1 over 6. And we continue. 2 times 2x is 4x, minus 2 times 1 minus 2, minus 3 times 3x, 3 times 3 is 9 with a minus 9x, and minus 3 times minus 2 minus with minus is plus, so it's plus 6 over 6 equals 2x plus 1 over 6. Here we have the same denominator, and whenever in fractions like this you have the same denominator, you can cancel the denominator. Why? It's like if you multiply right hand and left hand with 6. If you multiply here by 6 and here by 6, the 6 will disappear though. So you can write like this: 4x minus 2 minus 9x plus 6 equals 2x plus 1. And here you continue, variable nearer to variable, 4x minus 9x. Here the number goes with the sign minus. This sign belongs to 9x. This minus 2 goes here, and plus 6 equals 2x plus 1. And here you calculate 4x minus 9x is minus 5x, and minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4 equals 2x plus 1. And here the final step to bring the variable next to the other variable and do plus 4, the known number, to the other side with plus 1. So we have minus 5x plus 2x, here is plus, comes to the other side and becomes minus 2x. And 1 stays at his place, but this plus 4 goes other side and becomes minus 4. And here minus 5x minus 2x is minus 7x, and 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Finally, we undo our multiplication here by dividing minus 7, and it's like going to the other side. X equals, this minus 3 stays here, and minus 7 goes to the other side. Since here there is multiplication, it will be division, undoing multiplication with division. And finally, we have our solution. We have our x equals 3 over 7. And the final step, or the final thing I will say in this video, is the common mistake that always my student makes. So, for example, they have this equation: x plus 1 over 6 minus x minus 3 over 6 equals, for example, x over 6. They say that they can cancel the same denominator, which is okay, but the problem is the method they cancel it. They write like this: x plus 1 minus x minus 3 equals x. If you do this, you are making a mistake. Don't do this. Why? Because when you cancel the second denominator, which is the 6, this line here will become a bracket. So here it's an error. This is an error. What we will do, the right thing to do is like this: x plus 1 minus, and you add the bracket. You add the bracket here. So now it's good. Considering the 6, the denominator gives you the right equation, and you continue like this. But like this, it's an error. You have forgotten the brackets, which makes the error. And this concludes the work for today.